बोले कुछ.
So it's 4:40. I have to leave for the airport around 5:15 so that I can get my plane on time.
When is your plane?
9:20. But this so is Bangalore. पूरा गांव के बाहर एयरपोर्ट बना के रखा है.
Yeah.
So yeah, Niharika had to say something.
Not really. I wanted you only to say this is my home. You are in my hometown.
How do you feel that I'm in your hometown?
How do I feel that you're in my hometown?
Yeah.
Tired. Because it is so much traveling, I swear.
अरे तू ढंग का आंसर भी नहीं देती.
If the audience is going to hate me, I might as well give them all the reasons.
Why is
My
the audience
sense
gonna
of
hate
humor
you?
is very weird, and I know you think I just hate him. I don't.
Even I think she hates me.
If anything, I am talking about being hated. Why the hell will you be hated? You're the nice friend.
See, I am. Oh fuck. Okay. The shakal dekh le. Is it so hard to not hate this guy?
That's what I'm saying. No, you won't be hated.
It's so hard to not hate this guy. It's easy to hate this guy. No? So hard. Is it so hard to not hate this guy?
So is it so hard to love this guy? Yeah. What is this discussion? It's okay. You can leave in the comments who you like better.
50-50.
You talk about Bangalore. What did you think? You were
Bangalore-
here for not even 48 hours, but
Yes, I
such
was.
is life.
We make the best of whatever there is. I mean, I could have stayed tomorrow if I had planned it properly before. But yeah, we both had plans. And apparently I thought weekend trip है तो weekend में वापस आना चाहिए. But Bangalore is really nice. I love the weather, like everyone. But what the fuck is this whole road system, man? Like, when they were making Bangalore, were they thinking that people will have to go from one place to other? I mean, seriously.
See, it's not like, see,
Learn
you
from-
feel like that because everything is it's far away for
Yeah, no, everything is far
See,
away
that's
in
what I-
general.
you. No, not really. If you see it like that, because see, this Indranagar Whitefield is one zone. Okay, so people who live here can live their whole life just being in this neighborhood, and they're not going to miss a thing.
There's no sense of exploration only in Bangalore.
The sense of exploration is going to the other side of the city.
मतलब क्या ही बताएं. It's like जैसे मुंबई में कैसे बेस्ट है कि तुम ऐसे विरार से चालू करो, ऐसे एक ट्रेन में बैठो, तुम्हें चर्च गेट तक लेके जाएगा वो.
क्योंकि इतना छोटा सा तो है उधर,
That's
जगह ही
it.
किधर है कुछ करने के
The
लिए.
point is, it's so easy.
Because there is
It's far away. It's almost 30 kilometers distance between Virar and Church. Way more than that actually. The point is,
This is also 22 kilometers. I had to travel 22 kilometers to come see you.
exactly.
I traveled all the way from almost Virar to Churchgate to see you.
See, and she thinks she's gonna be hated, like seriously. Give yourself some credits, man. See, this is the part you have to say, but you came all the way from Mumbai, but nahi. कुछ भाव ही नहीं है.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I'm
और such a nice leave है कि हाँ भी मेरी तारीफ चालू होगी, पर नहीं. Yes, I am great.
तेरी तारीफ क्यों करेगा
I
कोई?
came all the way from Mysore Road metro station. See, in less than 48 hours, I've gotten to understand how the metro line works here.
because it's pretty straightforward.
Yes, I mean all metro lines are, but like in Mumbai का मेरे को metro इतना समझ में नहीं जितना यहाँ.
क्योंकि उसमें है ही क्या?
नो, अरे मुंबई का डूड इतने अजीब अजीब नाम है. कुरार विलेज,
That's
बोईसर, मागा ठाणे. अरे
here it is what it is.
एरिया से रिलेटेड कुछ तो नाम रखो जो लोगों को पता हो.
So metro is plus point in
Yeah,
Bangalore.
metro. अरे I love the metro.
It goes up and down.
एग्जैक्टली मुंबई का कितना बोरिंग है, एक ही लाइट पे चलते उसको वू 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 सब.
And you won't even feel a thing.
Exactly.
You will be underground and then above the ground in no time, and you won't even know it. Bangalore
We have to
Metro.
stay grounded,
Number
Bangalore. We have to stay grounded.
Metro. Or up in the clouds.
I mean, yeah. So yeah, other than the distances, the places we visited were nice. We went to Comic-Con yesterday. That's pretty cool.
Lot of people, but cool.
Fair.
I mean, it's Comic-Con. It was as crowded in Bombay as well.
Comic-Con छोटू से बॉम्बे का, ये बहुत बड़ा था.
Yeah. I mean, यहाँ पे जगह बहुत है लाइफ
Yeah.
तो
But you know, खाना दो. But ठीक है. We will complain enough about the service
yeah, at Comic-Con.
at Comic-Con itself, so it's okay. I'm over that. And then we went to the Studio Cafe. It was pretty cool. Act of manifestation in the works. And we made it a possibility.
Yeah.
That was pretty cool. What's up? I'm in frame.
Yeah.
Nah, now you're not. It's okay. So what is after the studio? Then I traveled all the way from South End Circle to Indranagar, in which I had to change metros at Majestic. Kempagowda metro station.
Nada Prabhu Kempe.
Not the Prabhu Kempagowda metro station.
Majestic.
Majestic, yeah. So I switched the metro. I came here all alone. It was a very, enlightening experience for me. And that is way too big for it. It was nice. It was nice. Then I was in this hostel. It's pretty cool. This is it. The whole thing. I did not take a video of the hostel. It was embarrassing. I'm happy I did not take. And then this morning
Yeah.
we went to MTR for breakfast.
Masala dosa.
Sambar, dude. What sambar? Amazing sambar. फिर वहाँ से we went to do the most coolest thing. And I'm not talking in the nerd sense of Comic-Con, but I'm like literally a cool guy, coolest thing. We went to a shooting range. What was that? So freaking cool. क्या कहते हैं उसे?
Air rifle.
Yeah, I shot an air rifle. वो कितने हैं? I didn't even count the number of bullets.
20 shots.
Was it 20? Okay. 20 shots.
Got to load the gun and everything. It was so cool.
Exactly.
It felt like if I were in a suit and doing it, I'd be Bond. Yeah. Even if my aim was horrible, I really don't think anybody in movies is now aiming after having experienced it.
True.
Okay.
No, but I feel that your chashma has also one thing to do with it. Like तू already इतना parallax से को feel होता रहेगा उसके साथ.
Parallax क्या होता है?
I don't know.
I'm saying pretty straightforward.
I don't know. Already कांच के through एक छोटे से hole में देखो which is again going to. I thought maybe that's why the aim was not right.
Could be, but
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Like, I had like.
I think it was just like the pressure of the moment and just doing it for the first time.
So, yeah, she has
I was
performance
shaking
pressure.
so much.
She has performance pressure.
Yeah.
I was also shaking at the weight of the gun. But yeah,
The gym guy is having problem holding a weight. You think about me.
it's because the muscles are sore which are lifting the freaking gun. Bad.
Yeah.
Who said gym was a good idea? Whoever said that, fuck you. You clearly don't have friends that hit you constantly.
Yeah, I am not gonna keep any of that. So this is just for a.
As in? What?
Nothing.
Okay.
अरे बोल यार आगे.
Yes, so after shooting, we first had planned that we were going to go for lunch at Hakuna Matata. But then we decided, we're not that hungry to go to Hakuna Matata. So before going to Hakuna Matata, we decided to go to the music museum. Or it is called the Indian Music Experience. and what an experience it was. I had no idea there's so many music related people in this world, in India.
In India. It was an experience of music of India, so
Yeah.
they named
Great.
it very accurately.
It was great. I mean, it was great. Like, we need more things like this in all cities. We still have to go to the music cinema museum in Mumbai.
Mm-hmm. There's too many museums, and none of them are ever close to anything.
Open. Close, close, yeah. Yeah, that is also in Kolaba, but take it na bhai. Unlike this, we can just take 2 trains and go, 1 train and go there. Mahalakshmi ko utar ke wahan se rickshaw, which goes by meter, by the way.
Yeah, that I agree.
I hate the rickshaw system here.
Yeah,
It's very bad.
it is horrible.
It's horrible. Guys, please use
Please
meter.
use well, okay, but for customers, have Uber, Ola, Rapido, all 3 with you.
Yeah.
And if you are going to book a rickshaw, book on all 3, because if
Somebody will turn up.
if you get lucky, somebody will accept you on one of the apps.
So yeah, काफी डिजिटल रिजेक्शन भी होते हैं यहाँ पे. मुंबई में सिर्फ ऑन फेस रिजेक्शन होता है, बट यहाँ पे डिजिटल रिजेक्शन भी हो रहा है.
Yeah, they just swipe left, right.
Swipe left, yeah. On Tinder they swipe left, yes. If it's bad, I don't know you.
Neither do I. That's why I'm asking.
Yeah, it's swipe left, yeah. Swipe right
Yeah.
is good, swipe is
So
bad.
rickshaw walas will be swiping left on you.
Yeah. And you don't want rickshaw to swipe left on you.
Hmm. And some of the people will match with you and then again unmatch with you. That is
That is a whole new level of insult.
oh yeah. Today we tried to book an auto for like over 20 minutes.
They ended up walking half the way.
Yeah,
Not half. 5 minutes. We are lazy people.
because it was 25 minutes away.
So after that,
So much rambling. 12 minutes, okay. इसमें से मैं सिर्फ 2 मिनट का content निकालूंगी.
it's okay, it's okay. After that, we went. Yeah, we've actually just explored the museum quite a bit. Like it was like 2 hours roughly. And then फिर वहाँ से we went to Hakuna Matata, which had great food. I like
It
Hakuna
means no
Matata.
worries.
Yes. For the rest of your days.
It's a problem-free
Philosophy.
Hakuna.
No, take it fine. We just reduced the amount I was saying by the end.
Yeah. I mean, I expected you to say the last Hakuna Matata with me, but yeah.
See, easy to hate this guy.
We are great friends. We are so in tune with each other.
Just wanting the other person to hate us.
I mean, when we were shooting, we kind of almost were there, okay?
What shooting? Shooting, yeah. So, very funny story. So, while we were shooting guns, somehow all my. So, I was standing here and वो मेरे right पे खड़ी थी, this girl. She was on the right. So, somehow all the aims, all the hits were on the right side of the target, and hers on the left side of the target. Our subconscious wanted to kill each other, dude.
Yes.
Stop. Oh, fuck. क्या सोच में से यार.
क्या सोचने से यार?
So yeah, उसके बाद we went to Hakuna Matata, where we had food.
Chinese food, lot of Chinese food.
Great food though. Good food.
Good life.
Good life. Good life. And then we took a rickshaw all the way to Indranagar again. And we were exhausted.
Yes, I know people in Bangalore who are gonna watch it are gonna think we are crazy. Why would you go from Indranagar to JP Nagar, come back to Indranagar?
Because we're crazy.
We are crazy.
Yeah. Come on.
You deal with it.
You
That's
started
why
watching the
you're
video.
watching this video.
Exactly. You're watching the video. Who's crazy now? Huh?
Still us.
So yeah, we are at hostel now. Sometime we'll start booking the cabs and all.
Cabs and all.
Cabs and all. She's going by metro.
Yeah.
I'll be going by cab. And that's how the trip ends.
Great.
Yes.
Something.
Yes. Outro.
Like, share, subscribe.
Yes. All that. I don't know. कब नेक्स्ट वीडियो आएगा?
और ये भी आएगा कि आपके पास अगर पेशेंस है एडिट करने का.
हो जाएगा, ये बार हो जाएगा.
अच्छा, we'll see.
Yeah.
I wanted to add this part in the end
What?
to show how much disbelief I have in you if you're not gonna edit this damn video.
Yeah.
I have to prove me wrong.
Cut to future me.
Let's see. She's not gonna come.
Thanks, girl.
I still don't believe.
भरोसा ही नहीं हमें खुद पे.
Zero
एक
भरोसा.
दूसरे पे किसी पे भी.
Zero भरोसा.
870.
Such is life.
This is going to the video been recording was 16. That's going to be the length of the fucking vlog.
Yeah. गाली क्यों दे रहे बे? हमारे माँ बाप देखते ही हैं.
And you could have just cut that.
I will.
Sure. फिर क्या प्रॉब्लम है? गाली ना मार, बुरी बात है. गाली नहीं.
I'll pay mine and trust.
Yes.
Nobody's going to see this.
Yes.
This is not the whole video, but this part.
True.
That is only 8.
Cool. Thanks for hanging out with us, homies. We are homie out of his homeland and someone. Oh,
Oh yeah.
I'm a homie in the other's homeland. It's a special part. It's a limited edition.
Yeah, because the next vlog is the might just be
Out
this homie in this homie's homeland.
or we both in a different homeland.
I don't think that's possible considering I won't be in the country.
See, if you go to London
870.
and if I come there, will that
I'm
be your
talking about the
homeland?
Bombay vlog.
Oh, sure, that also come. That is different. But what would that be? If you are in London, if I'm there, then will it be homies or a homeland, or will it still I'm in your homeland? Because it won't be your homeland.
It's not my homeland, so
Good.
it will be homies out of homeland.
Cool.
Thank you.
A future episode is gonna be a homies or a homeland.
They don't know what it is.
I'm going to London.
This is not going to make it.
Manifestation. You have to put this. It's manifest. You know it works.
The 2 bags over there.
I haven't announced to the world that I'm going. Pehli baar.
Oh.
So calm down.
Yes.
Oops.
All right.
So she might be going somewhere,
Arey yaar.
and I'll be going. That's for sure.
Excuse me.
Yeah, sure.
You have booked in a 4-day dormitory for 2 nights, right?
It's alright, so you can take it.
No, is that? So you can pick these two. Yeah, we read that. Okay, I've already read it.
Dolly shot.
Okay, I came here on one of your IDs. Sorry? So you guys from...
You will understand what homies out of homeland is if it becomes what we want it to.
It will. It is.
Sure.
Yeah.
हम भी औरों की तरह बर्थडे को कॉल कर लिया करेंगे.
My God, the amount of pessimism in the screen.
Tell me in the comment section if you're people who are older or even if you're our age.
Okay, so I had some...
How sad is it that you cannot hang out with your friends regularly anymore?
Stuff we have
It is sad.
We don't even know what to like. We have
Yeah,
no
so tell
idea
me how sad it
is
is.
what I can say.
It's very sad. The point is,
Is there something that we need to know?
the point is,
Which one to go? Yeah, I'll escort you to you.
you gotta make the most of the moment.
Thank you very much.
But the moment is not even 48
Have
hours.
your slippers with you.
The moment is a millisecond as well, but this
Who
was
said? Who gave that definition? Who said how long a moment is?
exactly. So this time, this was the moment. 36 hours. Not even
Then-
36 hours.
I don't like, I want more.
Next time. You're coming for 4 days, right? Sorry.
हाँ उसमें कितने लोगों से मिलना है?
घर पे तो मेरे रहेगी ना.
I love people who are so optimistic in life, no?
Yeah, and I don't understand these pessimistic people out here. ठीक है.
People are going to question my real friends. we also do the same. So
Yeah.
if you know why we are friends, please let us know.
Down in the comment section though.
Yes, this is the most important question. All these other comments that we said, we don't need to. This would be good.
Yes, yes. So it's 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
We've been talking to the camera for damn 20 minutes straight.
Yes. इतना हमने पूरे 36 घंटे में बात नहीं किया एक दूसरे से.
Actually. We talked for like 1.5 hours straight. I mean, you talked for 1.5 hours straight.
Because such is life.
ठीक है.
Great trip. Thank you for hosting.
You're welcome.
अभी भी नहीं बोलेगी थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग बट ठीक है. फाइन. मैं चाह
I'm
रहा हूँ.
sorry, you came to my homeland. I showed you around. You're welcome.
This is exactly not what I wanted. Sorry. Exactly what I didn't want.
What? I don't know.
Yes. So I'm gonna put my phone on charge. I'm gonna to the airport. Fun trip. Let's go. She's making it sad for some reason.
It is sad. Oh my god.
Fine, it is sad.
जय के लिए भी रो रहा था.
अरे,
टीटू के लिए सोनू रो रहा था. मैं शायद रोऊंगी नहीं, but emotion, sentiment is there. I'm just gonna send a clip of them crying. See, Joey left the house and moved to a different street in the same city. That was crazy sad.
Mhm.
Okay, this is sad.
I mean, you move to a different state.
I am in a different state.
Yeah. And then you're gonna move to a different country.
Yeah,
It's gonna be way sadder than that.
that's what I've been telling you. Oh my god.
The point is, see, it is
Such
sad.
is life.
Yeah, I mean, it's like somehow I can't help but see that.
They don't need to know all this. ठीक है, हो गया 25 मिनट से रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं.
Nice.
Like, share, comment, subscribe.
Yes, guys, this was the trip. Like and share and subscribe to whoever's channel is gonna show up. Like mostly hers. Follow It's Nick. Sorry, subscribe to It's Nick. It's still It's Nick, right?
Yeah.
Subscribe to It's Nick. Maybe because in the future just can't turn into Homes Out of Homeland channel.
Yeah, mostly. Yeah.
That's a wrap on the first ever episode of Homies in Others Homeland.
Let's just call it Homies Out of Homeland, okay?
Homies Out of Homeland.
We are starting to manifest this.
Yes, more of this.
So,
And her also traveling out of her own.
yeah, we're gonna go cry now. Stop it.
Shalom. Peace.